AOL Mail, a free email service that has been around since 2004. Hello there, I'll be showing you how to make an AOL Mail account. Search AOL Mail on whatever browser you've got. You're on the website? Alright, cool. Scroll down a bit. Please click create an account. First name and last name. Choose your email address. It's like your username on Instagram. I don't know why I'm saying this since you can't make an Instagram account without an email. Basically, people will have to type that out to send you an email, so choose something easy to remember. The password, then just fill in your personal details. Make sure you have access to that phone number because you'll need to verify that. Birth date, press that blue button right there. Again, fun fact, Verizon bought AOL and Yahoo in 2017, and that explains why they have the same sign up page. Like this video if it went well. Bye.